How to get working Youtooz discount promo codes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the best working Youtooz discount promo codes. But first, all I have to do is to choose one specific collectible or product that you prefer. So say for example, this one from South Park, and then let's choose on limited edition. Let's add this into our cart and then access your shopping cart. So as you can see from the bottom part of your shopping cart, you should be able to see this option here that has a code that you can apply. Create a new tab, type in simply codes, and then use the search box, and then type in Youtooz. Choose on the one that has collectibles. So as you can see, there are a lot of options here that you can choose, whether 23% off and so on and so forth. Show code, copy the unique code and paste it here. And that is how you get working Youtooz discount promo codes.